A lot of content creators are making these mistakes that are stopping them from getting views. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you these mistakes so that you don't do them. This is Wizzy Labs. We teach strategies on how to grow on YouTube. Proven and tested strategies on how to grow on YouTube. First of all, one mistake that is stopping you from growing on YouTube, getting more views, is uploading using YouTube app. Don't upload using YouTube app. Stop uploading using YouTube app. This is stopping your videos from getting views. I'm gonna be showing you how you can upload the right way. Always use YouTube Web. I mean, use YouTube Web from the one you get from the laptop, the PC, the computer. And if you don't have those ones, if you are using the phone, I'm gonna show you how you can access YouTube Web using your phone. Go to your phone and open Safari or Chrome. Type in studio.youtube. Type in studio.youtube. It is going to bring this screen. In this screen, tap on, don't tap on get the app, tap on continue to studio. It's going to bring this YouTube studio. Always and always upload using this. Always and always upload using this web. Don't upload using mobile app of YouTube. This is stopping you from getting views. These are proven and tested strategies. Number 2, a lot of people are making mistakes while uploading. They upload their videos straight to public. This is stopping your videos from moving. Stop uploading your videos straight to public. Always upload your video to unlisted, private, or schedule them to give YouTube time to read your videos. Give YouTube time to process and read your videos and push it to the right audience. But when you upload your video straight to public, it doesn't give YouTube time to read your video, to process your video, to send it to the right audience. So always upload your video to private, unlisted, or schedule them. These are proven and tested strategies. Simple strategies. Another mistake that YouTubers make, they don't put more time on thumbnail. They put more time on the video. Let me tell you this, if you have a good video and a poor thumbnail, your video is not gonna move. Because the people, they see the thumbnail, then they click. If you don't have a clickable thumbnail, your videos are not gonna move. Always put time in your thumbnail. Because people see the thumbnail and then they click and then you get views. But when you make good video and poor thumbnail, your videos is going to be a waste. You're not going to get views. And YouTube has this feature where you can upload you can upload 3 thumbnails, then it will choose the best one. You can upload 3 thumbnails, then let YouTube choose the best one. Another mistake that people do is this option of altered content. If your content has AI in it, always tap yes on altered content. If your content doesn't have AI in it, tap no. These are 3 easy strategies that you need to put on your YouTube channel so that you grow. First, don't upload using mobile app. I've shown you how you can access YouTube Web using your phone. Second, don't upload straight to public. Always put your video in unlisted, private, or schedule them. Thumbnail. Make nice thumbnail. Make nice thumbnail, because the thumbnail are the one that attracts viewers to click. Make clickable thumbnail. This is Rizzy Labs. We teach strategies on how to grow on YouTube. Easy and proven strategies on how to grow on YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that you don't miss more of our teaching videos. Thank you.